Number 1, one arm dumbbell overhead extension. Target muscle tricep. Hold the dumbbell with one hand and raise it overhead. Sit on a bench with back supported or stand straight, keeping your elbow close to your head. Bend your elbow and lower the dumbbell behind your head until your forearms touch your bicep. Then bring in the dumbbell upward until your entire arms become straight. During this movement, you squeeze the tricep muscle and again bring in the dumbbell downward. Do 4 sets of this and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Number 2, dumbbell preacher curl. Target muscle bicep. Sit at a preacher bench with the dumbbell in both hands and resting your upper arm on the pad of the bench. Then raise the dumbbell toward your shoulder, curl it slightly outward and squeeze the bicep muscle. Slowly bring in the dumbbell to the starting position with controlled speed. During this entire movement, keep your upper arms and elbows stable on the pad of the bench. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 3, close grip dumbbell press. Target muscle tricep and chest. Lean on a flat bench with dumbbell hold close together directly above your chest, palms facing each other, keeping the elbow close to the body. Slowly bring in the dumbbell down toward your lower chest, and to squeeze the tricep muscle, press the dumbbell upward until your entire arms become straight. Again bring in the dumbbell downward. Do 4 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 4, incline dumbbell curl. Target muscle bicep. Holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands, sit on an incline bench with the back supported and hang both arms straight down. Stabilize the upper arms and curl the dumbbell together or with the alternating hand toward your shoulder. Squeeze the bicep and then slowly bring in the dumbbell to the starting position. Selecting a right weight, do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 5, incline dumbbell skull crusher. Target muscle tricep brachii. In this also you lean down on an incline bench and hold the lightweight dumbbell in both hands. Start by extend your arms straight above your chest, then slowly lower the dumbbell toward your ears while keeping your upper arm stable. Then squeezing the tricep muscle, press the dumbbell completely upward until your entire arms become straight. In this also select the right weight, do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 6, dumbbell hammer curl. Target muscle biceps and forearms. Stand or sit with the dumbbell in both hands with the neutral grip, keeping the hands forward and the elbow close to the body. Curl the dumbbell toward the shoulder with together or alternating hand. Then to complete the repetition, bring in the dumbbell to the starting position with the control speed and stretch the bicep muscle. Perform 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions.